Do you often use different computers? Sometimes you can't install applications on other computers you're forced to use for business, for example. One way of taking your stuff with you is to have portable apps ready on a USB drive. A lot of applications already have a portable version, and you can check over at portableapps.com, a very good website, to see if it's already available. If not, then you can use Cameyo to virtualize any application. You can also check among about 500 applications already submitted to Cameyo to see if they already have your application. You can also submit to online.cameyo.com to get a virtual application processed online on their servers. After it's processed, you'll get your virtualized application package sent by email. Some applications can't be processed, so you can process them yourself by downloading Cameyo to your computer. Once downloaded, launch Cameyo. Then go to Studio and click on Capture App Locally. Cameyo will capture the initial system snapshot. It's best to do this on a computer with not too many applications already installed, otherwise this will take a long time. Once Cameyo is in capture mode, install the application you wish to virtualize, in my case Photoshop CS.6. Cameyo will capture all the files and registry entries required by this application into one single file. If your computer needs to reboot, you can do so. Once the install has finished, click on Install Done. It will then capture a post-initial snapshot of the system and build a package. This can take some time. At the end of the process, you will have an executable file of your application. You can now run your portable version from a USB drive or from a cloud service such as Dropbox, and even email it to someone. What's more is that you can edit the package so that the application can make no change to the system, for example. A lot of tweaks can be made. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any suggestions for the next one, let me know in the comments below, and until next time, bye bye.